how to add multiple links on your Instagram bio. So if you're someone that wants links on your bio, it's very easy to do, and you also can have more than one. So what you want to do is go to your Instagram and go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner, and then go ahead under your name and go ahead and hit edit profile. So when you're here, you just want to go to the links section, and let's add one link. And I'm just going to type in, I don't know, maybe youtube.com, and go ahead and hit the title. Just hit YouTube, that's fine. Go ahead and hit done. And it'll take a couple seconds, but it will add that link to your bio. So if you come back out to your profile, there you see the link itself. So let's go ahead back to edit profile, go back to your links, and from this point forward, you can just keep on adding links. And I'll just write down harrypotter.com, doesn't really matter, and Harry Potter, that's fine. Go ahead and hit done. And from this point forward, you'll have multiple links as you see here. You do have a limit of 5 without any third-party apps, but there you go. It's very simple to add multiple links on your Instagram bio. And if you were to go back to your page, you see them right there. It's YouTube and one more, so you could just keep adding them. And that's it. Very simple and very easy to do.